In Islamabad, the United Council of Churches in Pakistan held a press conference at the National Press Club, demanding justice for Nazir Masih, a Christian who was brutally murdered in Sargodha. Pastor Samson Sohail, Executive Director of the United Council of Churches, addressed the conference, calling for the addition of Section 302 of the Pakistan Penal Code to the FIR against the perpetrators of the heinous crime. Pastor Sohail also demanded that the provincial and federal governments provide immediate financial relief to the family of the deceased, who have suffered immense loss and damage to their property. He emphasized that the council had previously demanded a judicial inquiry into the incident and punishment for the false accusers under Section 295B. The Islamic Ideological Council had also condemned the incident in a special meeting on May 29, 2024. And recommended the establishment of special courts to try such crimes. Pastor Sohail urged the council to implement its recommendations and ensure that those responsible for such incidents are punished accordingly. The United Council of Churches reiterated its commitment to working towards the development and stability of Pakistan, acknowledging the sacrifices and services rendered by both Muslims and Christians. The council prayed for peace and security in the country, under the blessings of God.